Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Valora Wallet account on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Valora application and then log into your account using your biometrics or your PIN. Now, once you have logged in, simply tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Now, from the Settings option, if you scroll all the way down, you will find an option to reset Valora. If you tap on Reset button, this will remove your account from the Valora application, but it will not delete your account. The only way to delete your account is to delete the saved key that you are provided when you create your account with Valora in the first place. So if you have saved your seed somewhere, then make sure to delete it and then tap on the Reset Valora button, and you will be asked whether you want to continue with resetting the Valora application. You can simply tap on the Continue button, and then this will proceed with deleting your account from the Valora application. Now, if you save your recovery phrase with you and you use it at any time, then you will once again be able to access your account. So if you truly want to delete your Valora Wallet account, then I would recommend that you delete your saved key as well. Doing so will ensure that no one will be able to access the account anymore, and once it is not accessed for a long period of time, it will automatically be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Valora Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.